MoneyTap Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking for a personal finance app that doubles as a flexible credit tool, MoneyTap promises quick access to funds. But is it really that simple? One of the biggest pros is instant access to credit. Most people get this wrong by assuming traditional banks are the fastest option. MoneyTap allows users to borrow up to a pre-approved limit directly through the app, often within minutes. For example, if an unexpected medical expense arises, you can withdraw only the amount needed, avoiding full limit borrowing. The app also offers transparency. Borrowers can see interest rates, repayment schedules, and EMI calculations before committing. Notifications help track repayment dates, reducing the risk of late fees. MoneyTap also integrates with multiple bank accounts, making fund transfers smooth and convenient. Another advantage is flexibility. Unlike standard credit cards, MoneyTap lets you borrow, repay, and borrow again as needed. This revolving credit can be ideal for short-term financial gaps without committing to long-term debt. However, there are cons. Interest rates may be higher than traditional loans if balances aren't paid quickly, and approval is dependent on credit score. Some users report occasional app glitches or slow customer support responses, which can be frustrating when funds are urgent. In conclusion, the MoneyTap app is perfect for users seeking quick, flexible access to credit. The surprising truth is that while it's convenient and fast, responsible usage is key to avoid interest charges stacking up. If you need emergency credit or a convenient way to manage small financial gaps, MoneyTap offers a modern solution, but always plan repayments carefully to get the most benefit.